Skötti ja Pori Annikin lifti. Annikintie 12 in Pori. Staircase C. Film staircase didn't 2 years ago. I filmed not just this staircase. I don't have time to film all staircase. Still modernized elevators. This will be our cell next time. I'm quite sure, but yeah, between 1973 and pronounced in 1999, it's 30279. If they will modernize this elevators, it's needless. Totally needless. Just 20 years old. Four plus 320 kilograms. Inspected by inspectant, maintained by Kone. Inspection is over half year late, like in previous building. This building is fortunately still open. This building is locked up, but I managed to get inside fortunately. Staircase A, and I have filmed staircase C before. I'm sorry if it was locked then, but now it's locked, so 7 floors. And 10th floor. It has just key. Not go there, but sure, it's quite crappy. Ground floor. That's it.